Hi, this is Dean from Sentinel Soap. In today's video, I'm going to be making some cold processed soap. I'm going to be using one of my favorite fragrances, Champagne and Strawberries. I will put the recipe in the description below. I've made this fragrance a number of times, and I really wanted to make a really bright pink, a light pink, and a white all mixed together in a swirl. Now I feel like I've done this before, but it was actually with my melt and pour soap. I wanted to see if it would come out very similar to it, and I was surprised by the results. With this soap, I didn't add any fragrance to the batter that's actually got the titanium dioxide in it, so the white, but I added it to the other two colors. So I hope you like this video. I really wanted to give the top of this soap a nice swirl, but now looking back on it, I think I probably should have left it as it was before I used the chopstick. So this is the next day and I'm cutting it up and it looks great. The only thing that I can pick out on this is that the titanium dioxide didn't mix as well as I thought it would, and as you can see in the soap, there's little dots of white. Now I've noticed this in the last couple of loaves that I've done, they don't look that great. So next time I'm going to add some hot water to the titanium dioxide and mix it in then. The swirl is a little bit out of focus and I really can't explain why that is. Apart from that, I love this soap. I think it turned out great and I love the colors. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.